Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following our series on penetration testing, you know we've already covered what penetration testing is and why it's crucial for cybersecurity. If you haven't checked out the last video, I highly recommend you do so first. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of penetration testing, which breaks down how ethical hackers plan, execute, and report on their findings. So let's get started. First up is the planning phase. This is where penetration testers define the scope, goals, and rules of engagement for the test. The planning stage is crucial because it sets the boundaries of what will be tested, identifies the targets, and ensures everyone involved understands the methodologies that will be used. This is like laying the groundwork for any security operation. Without clear goals and well-defined rules, the entire test could go off track, wasting time and resources. Next is the execution phase. This is where things get hands-on. In this phase, ethical hackers simulate attacks based on the scope defined in the planning phase. These attacks are designed to uncover vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the system. This is the moment when the tester uses a variety of techniques like phishing, SQL injections, or network sniffing to see how the system reacts. The aim here is to find the cracks before malicious actors do. Finally, we have the reporting phase, which is just as important as the testing itself. After the execution, all the findings need to be documented in detail. This includes highlighting vulnerabilities, explaining how they were exploited, and most importantly, providing recommendations on how to mitigate these risks. The report helps the organization understand what needs fixing and how to strengthen their defenses. If you found this breakdown helpful, please take a moment to like the video to support the channel. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below, whether you've been part of penetration testing projects yourself or have any questions about the process. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because in our next video, we'll be discussing the benefits of penetration testing. We'll cover how it helps identify weaknesses, improve security measures, and provide insights into the effectiveness of current defenses. You definitely won't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.